everyone, there are two things that I would like to do today. The very first one is going to be unboxing the BoxyCharm. It's the BoxyLuxe, and honestly, it's the last day of the month, so live video unboxing is what you get. I just got back from family vacation, and that was good, but we're gonna go ahead and do this. And then I'm also going to be talking a little bit about, I'm gonna make a post later today, but I'm going to be doing like a little giveaway because I have so much stuff, and honestly I just need to get rid of some of it. So we're gonna start with the BoxyCharm BoxyLuxe. If you didn't know, on top of your $21 a month, you pay an additional $28.99, so the box ends up being like $50, and it only comes every like 4 months or so, 3 months or so. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started with that. Hello, how are you? Sorry, my phone is actually sideways, so when it comes in sideways, there you go. So the very first thing in here is the Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. Hey Kathy, how's it going? And then I'm gonna go through this really quickly because I don't want to be here too long, but this is the PYT. It's a hair blow dryer, and they came in different colors, and honestly I don't think I will use this. I don't need a travel hair dryer. I have one. This is like in a coral color. I'm not gonna unbox it because I'm gonna end up giving this one away, and we'll just leave that as it is. And then so the next thing that's in here is a Tarte eyeshadow palette, which this one I believe is exclusive to BoxyCharm. So this one, a lot of neutrals. There you go. It smells really good though. And this is the BU Naturally eyeshadow palette. So there's that. And let's see here. There's the Clean Biotic from Dr. Brandt. I like a lot of their products. So this is a face wash. This is from Pharmacy. This is the Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum. So this I will actually definitely use. This is really interesting. This is the Trestique, and it's a eyelash curler / mascara in one. So I think that's really interesting that they did it all together. So, okay. And then next is the Skin & Co. Roma, and this is the Radiant Dew Truffle Therapy Illuminating Skin Refresh Mist. So, hello. And this is from Dominique Cosmetics. I actually have met Kristen Dominique, and she's such a beautiful, kind soul. I like her a lot. So happy to get this, and this is Strawberry Lemonade. This is part of her new lip gloss collection, and it's super pretty and pink like that. And then the last thing that's in here, this is the No Problem Prime Essence, and I know from Touch in Sol we've gotten their primer before, but this is like the Essence Serum. So excited to try that. We'll see how that goes. Aw, hello Queen of Color. Okay, so that's everything in BoxyCharm Luxe. And so do I think it's worth the $50? Yeah, I do, because you always get quite a bit of product, and they're full-size products, so why not? Sorry, gotta twist my neck. Also, I started my business. I don't know if I ever told you on YouTube. Is this Briola? Wait, I'm sorry. Sorry, my phone is on sideways, so when you're commenting, I gotta turn my head to see it. It's free. Oh my God. No, tell me all about it. That's so exciting. Okay, and then the last thing I was gonna do, I'm gonna be doing a little giveaway, and I don't know exactly how I'm gonna run it yet, just FYI. I just put this bag together, and this is actually from a BoxyLuxe, and I have so many makeup bags that I think this one's really cool, and you can fit a lot of stuff in it. So I'm definitely going to fill it for whoever is gonna win. So neck cramps are the worst. So I think I'll probably put this video on my YouTube channel, and then I'll also have it here on Instagram, and I don't know, I'll post the rules and everything later today, but just showing you now what you're gonna get. So this is from the BoxyCharm one. This is from a previous BoxyLuxe. I just went through my collection, and I've started gathering some stuff. This could be from previous PR packages, or from just stuff that I've had sitting around for a while that I just can't show enough love to it. So I want to give it away, and hopefully you guys will get some use out of it. And then some stuff that I've just picked up randomly, and yeah, like extras from subscription boxes, because sometimes I get extras. So so here are a few brushes, and these are from Moda, so I don't want to make this video too long, but there's going to be these guys. There's going to be, hold on, this guy, this is Billion Dollar Brows, and we've got some e.l.f. lippies, and this is from Illamasqua. This was from Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, pretty sure. So there's a lip pencil in here. Beauty Basics, this was a bronzer. I'm pretty sure I got this in a BoxyCharm, and so I just haven't used, like, everything is unused. I'm not putting anything in here that I've already used and swatched and all that stuff. So we've got a whole bunch of like eye pencils from e.l.f. And let's see here. This is also a lip liner. Is this the Ofra? Yeah, this is from Ofra. I got it in one of their bags, as well as this, which is the makeup fixer. I'll throw that in there. This is also from Ofra. This was BoxyCharm. This is long lasting liquid lipstick. They have a really good formula in Miami Fever. Another e.l.f. pencil. This is from Benefit, the highbrow pencil. It's a little highlighter there. Glimmer Lip Spark, and that is from Absolute New York. We've got from Tarte, this is the Insta-Famous lip gloss. They just call it lip gloss, right? Shimmering lip paint. Oh, sorry. Shimmering lip paint from there. This is from Real Her. This is Be Fearless, Be Limitless, and it is a blush trio, so hopefully you guys can see that. This is from Pop, and this is the Eye Magnet Primer. Got another pencil from e.l.f. We've got the Maybelline, the Falsies mascara, the Briogeo. I love Briogeo. The Rosarco Milk Spray-In. What is this? The Cover FX. Oh, this was BoxyCharm. This is the Nova Drops, the glitter drops. This is actually really cool as like a, I don't necessarily use it as a face highlight, but I have used it as eyeshadow. This is the HD Finishing Powder from Makeup Studio. Pretty sure that was a BoxyCharm. Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. Pretty sure that was also, oops, dang it, I just ripped the thing as I was opening it. I swear it wasn't like that before. And this is the color Purple Dream. So there's that. This is a Note Hydra Color Lip Gloss in the color Rose Petal. And let's see here. It looks like that. Right. And I'm actually going to be doing a couple more giveaways. I just have to get through some of my stuff. So I have some more brushes, some more palettes and stuff. So this is the PYT Beauty, and this is called the No BS eyeshadow palette. And when you open it, I don't know if you can see that. It looks like that. So it's got some eyeshadows. I think they're calling it like Day or Night. Oh, sturdy. It feels nice though. So all of that will be included, and it will be in the little box. I put all of that in the BoxyCharm box. So I will put all of that in a giveaway, and I will post it on my Instagram and my YouTube later today. And I think that's really all I wanted to, really all I wanted to say. So take a look for that. It'll be posted later today with how to enter and all that good stuff. All right, so I hope you have a good Sunday, and if you want to let me know what you're doing for the 4th of July, just because I'm nosy, that would be great. Let me know. All right, thanks guys. Bye.